I have Google Pixel 2 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. Let's start with swipe up and choose settings. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and choose system. Now let's tap on the About phone. Here at the very bottom we have build number. We need to tap on it several times. Okay, I'm now a developer, let's go back, and here we have our developer options. Here we have many hidden features like the USB debugging. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumb up under the video.